Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about SGP 6 priceless gift. Have you gone through it? Okay. Who was Frankie? Why was the family in mourning? Yes. Why did the writer feel guilty to face Mistress Bethy? Okay. The last question. Will Maggie meet the writer again? Yes. To know the answer, we'll read the SCP-7. So open your book and listen attentively. The morning of my last day in London dawned. I was to leave that night. As I was having my breakfast, there was a knock at the door. Maggie had come to say goodbye. She was wearing black. Are you leaving today? She asked. Yes, I replied. Today is the day of my departure. How long will it take to reach your country? In which part of country do you live? She wanted to know. I have entered the Punjab service. I shall not know exactly where I am posted until I arrive there. Is the Pontier very far from there? No, not very. Frankie is buried near the Fontaine. The girl's eyes filled with tears as she spoke. When I go to that part of country, I shall visit your brother's grave and write to you. So noted some new words. Like Fontaine. Fontaine means order. Yesterday, 2 soldiers in Odisha were killed in the Fontaine. Grave. Grave is a place where a dead person is buried. Buried? Buried, you know? The past form of a bury. Bury means to put a dead body into the ground. So, students, just after few days to return to India, one day the writer went to Maggie's house. The writer saw the family was in mourning. Why? କାହିଁକି ବିଷାଦଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାରର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକ ବିଷାଦଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ଥିଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ବେଥି ଆଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାଗି ଅଲ୍ସୋ ବିକଜ Frankie had been killed in the fighting on the Fontaine. So writer felt ashamed. बहुत लज्जित हो गले because he told a lie that Frankie was well and alive. से भल अच्छी सुस्थ अच्छी या भाभी एवं मिछ कही सो द राइटर फेल आसे लज्जित हो गला. The writer just left a letter by writing his departure. He could not face the Mistress Bethy and Maggie. So tell me, what did Maggie do after receiving the letter? What did Maggie do after receiving letter? खाई सारा पर से भाबुथिबो कौन करिथिबे कि on the morning of his day of leaving for India Maggie went to writer's house. When the writer was taking his breakfast, he heard a knock at the door. He opened the door and saw Maggie was standing wearing black. कहिबो पिला माने black काई मेंशन एठी करा जाईची because black is the symbol of grief or black is associated with the death or mourning. Maggie entered into the writer's home and asked about his living and his service. Sir, how long will it take to reach your country? In which upper country do you live? The writer replied, I have entered the Punjab service, but I do not know exactly where I am posted. मु प्रकृत रे जानी नहीं केउठी मोर पोस्टिंग होईची किंतु मोर पंजाब रे सर्विस होईची बोली राइटर उत्तर देथिले. Then Maggie asked, is the frontier very far from there? The writer replied, no, not very. Maggie in tearful eyes आखि लुह छळ छळ करिकी told, Frankie is buried near the frontier. When the writer knew it, he consoled her. Yes, I shall visit your brother's grave after reaching India and write to you. तेबे पिला माने भाबुच सेते बेले मैगी कौन करिथिबो राइटरंकर ए सब कथा सुनिकी ता मनरे कौन प्रभाव पकेइथिबो. So what happened next? We see next SCP 8. Thank you.